Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we saw how to create a Microsoft account with a new email ID. Now in this video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft account with your existing Gmail ID. So let's click in the browser and type accounts.microsoft.com. Then click on the sign in, click on the create new one and type your existing Gmail ID. So I will just copy my Gmail ID from my inbox. So this is the Gmail ID I want to use to create a new Microsoft account. Then click on the next, type your password, click on the next. So country will be India, then select your birth date, click on the next. So here you will receive one email notification on your Gmail inbox with the verification code. So go back to your Gmail account and check the notification email. So yeah, we have received this notification email from Microsoft. Just open that and copy this verification code and here, click on the next. So you need to solve this puzzle. Great. Verification is complete now. Click on the continue. Yeah, so our Microsoft account is ready now. Uh, in the right navigation, in the right top corner, click on this icon. Go to my profile page. Here you can update some information like your full name, your photo, right? Birth date is already updated. Region is already there. So I will just update my full name here. Enter capture. Okay, great. Your full name is updated now. Now you are ready to access the Microsoft services using your existing Gmail ID. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.